everyone, today I'm going to be teaching you how to make cookies and the difference between chilling them and not. First step is to crack an egg and put it in here. Make sure there's no shells. Step 2, mix in half a cup of butter. Make sure it's all out. Take a teaspoon of vanilla and almond extract and pour it in. Make sure not to spill any. Step 4, take half a teaspoon of baking soda and pour it in. Step 5, take half a teaspoon of cocoa powder and add it in. Step 7, add the sugar, 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar, and half a cup of white sugar. And then you mix it. Step 8, take 1 1/4 cup of flour, put it in, and then stir it, and then stir it again. Step 9, pour in as many chocolate chips as you would like. Okay, so we mix the chocolate chips in. The next step is you take a handful, turn it into a ball, and then flatten it out in this pattern. Is that you put the cookies in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 14 minutes. We're going to take the other half of the dough and put it in the fridge to chill for 30 minutes, and then we'll see what difference it makes. So the cookies that haven't been chilled are ready. Let's have a taste test. Good. Yeah, it's a little crunchy, but it's good. Yeah, overall. Yeah, texture is the main problem. It's fine. And now we're putting in the chilled batch. It'll take 14 or 15 minutes. It might take an extra minute. And now we're going to have the cookies that have been chilled. Let's see.
I already started eating mine.
Yep, you did. So,
and it tastes the same as my other one.
They do taste a little smoother, but I can feel the taste of the chocolate chips a little more. And overall, it just has a bunch of tiny little improvements.
So that's the whole video?
Peace out.
Peace out.